provider, but also underlying software platforms such as operating systems, databases, or application development environment also is provided by the cloud service provider. So the consumer has control over the deployed applications and possible application hosting environment configuration, but underlying resources which are required to develop the application and the infrastructure is provided by the cloud service provider. So consumer is built for platform software components such as OS, database, or middleware. The third category is software as a service. Here the infrastructure is provided by the cloud service provider, the underlying platform is also provided by the provider, and also the application, the software is also hosted and maintained by the provider. So the consumer can use the applications running on a cloud infrastructure and pay for the applications which the consumer is using. So complete stack including application also is provided by the service provider. So for example, a thin client interface can be provided to the consumer who can access the software or the application hosted as a service by the provider. So billing is based on the application usage. So the consumer need not worry about what is the platform on which the application is hosted or the underlying infrastructure. Now the next section is cloud deployment model. So that is the service model, how the infrastructure or platform or the software is is hosted to the customer by the cloud service provider. Now we will cover the deployment models. So the most important category here is public cloud, in which cloud service provider hosts the infrastructure including the server, network components, compute, storage, etc. So there can be one or more than one enterprises or general public using the infrastructure provided by the cloud service provider. So the user may belong to any of the enterprises or maybe a generic consumer who is accessing the cloud resources provided by the service provider. This is public cloud. This is where the most important security challenge lies, where there is multi-tenancy and multiple users and multiple enterprises are using the same underlying infrastructure. Private cloud is owned and maintained by a single enterprise. In